Ready for garden fresh flavors? Let's dive into the top 10 vegetables for this season, perfect for any space, big or small. They'll make your meals tastier and are ideal for growing in the continental USA. Like this video? Hit the like button and let's start our gardening adventure. Number 10. Tomatoes. Tomatoes are great for cooking and can grow in pots or the ground. They need lots of sun. Start them in small pots inside, then move them outside when it's warm. Number 9. Carrots. Carrots are fun to grow and a surprise in size. They prefer loose, sandy soil. Plant them early spring directly in your garden for quick carrots. Number 8. Lettuce. Easy for beginners and quick to grow. Plant in containers or the ground and keep the soil wet. Pick the leaves when they're ready for fresh salads. Number 7. Green beans. Simple to grow. They climb, so give them a trellis or fence. Plant after the last frost for summer-long beans. Number 6. Bell peppers. They bring color and sweet taste to meals. Start inside if it's cool, then move to a sunny spot outside. They like warm soil. Number 5. Cucumbers. Ideal for summer. They need space and something to climb. Plant in warm soil for crisp cucumbers for your salads and snacks. Number 4. Zucchini. These plants grow a lot of veggies quickly. They love the sun and good soil. Get ready to pick zucchinis often. Number 3. Peas. Perfect for cooler weather. Plant peas early in spring. They need something to climb on, and soon you'll enjoy fresh peas. Number 2. Radishes. Great for beginners. Radishes grow fast. Plant them in spring. They don't need much room, making them perfect for small spaces. Number 1. Spinach. This nutrient-rich green thrives in cool weather. Pick the outer leaves regularly for a steady supply. Cone solution. That's our top 10 veggies to grow this season in the continental USA. Gardening is fun and gives you fresh, healthy veggies right at home. Start small, care for your plants, and enjoy gardening. Don't forget to subscribe and like this video. Have ideas for our next video? Tell us in the comments.